Hammertime.
What's up everyone and welcome back to another Hammertime video. Today I'm going to show you how to make some really cool succulent plant shelf. Stay tuned and let's jump right in. So this walkway always would collect plants and just all kinds of things. So a plant shelf was just the option to clean up this disaster. My brother offered to level out the area so we could lay down the boards without having a bunch of uneven ground beneath it. Then my other brother and I would cut the 2x4s, and we were cutting a bunch of 10-inch ones and 14-inch ones for the shelf brackets, and then the 10-foot ones would span the shelf, and then the longer pieces would be the upright support. So to show you how this actually comes together, I used this 2x4 with a center line marked down it so that we could draw out the area to mark out the pieces, mark the correct measurement out, and then draw it just like if you were building or framing a house or something. This was the easiest way to mark out the centers. So you use the template, the little jig, with the line down the middle to figure out the approximate place of the 2x4. And then you use the combo square to make sure it's square and draw the reference lines, make an X in the middle to indicate where to place the 2x4 when screwing it in, and then you're good to go. And make sure all your measurements are on the center. This really helps. Once that was complete, all we had to do was countersink and screw in the screws. I used 3-inch screws here, and I countersinked them just to avoid blowing anything out, and this worked really well. Now watch how fast this Milwaukee impact driver screws in this screw. It's 3 inches. I use 2 screws per 2x4. You should have 3 pieces when you're done. And then it was just installing the 10-foot brackets, and I just used 2 screws, 2 3-inch screws in each one, countersinked, and then put the screw in, and this worked really well. It's really simple, and we just kind of eyeballed the spacing, one at the back end and then one at the front, and you have really about an inch gap in the middle, which is totally fine, allows for drainage, and the plant pots don't fall through. I also had to cut some diagonal supports, so I split a 2x4 in half to two 4-foot sections, and then I came back and I cut a bevel on one of them. I cut an angle on one of them to allow for the pieces to line up perfectly. Here's a video of what they actually ended up looking. And this was a little clever trick I made here. Then we installed shelf brackets for extra added support. Alright guys, this turned out really cool. It holds all the plants, really cleans up all the clutter around, and it's really sturdy. It's not going anywhere, and it holds all the plants, so it works. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. And until next time guys, happy building.